Today's segment of The Next Chapter is presented by Lexus. Experience amazing.
She's been stealing scenes and hearts in projects like Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani and the Netflix series Dabba Cartel. But now actress Anjali Anand is experiencing a new level of success. As the leading lady of the blockbuster Dhamal 4, Anjali says filmmakers have finally moved on from casting her in stereotypical roles and audiences are welcoming characters that come in all sizes.
Hi, मैं हूँ Anjali Anand and you're watching AVS TV.
Dhamal 4 is here and it's been doing exceptionally well. So big congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Personally, how has the last few days been for you? What's the nicest message or compliment you have received so far?
I think that's so overwhelming, the amount of love that is pouring in and how much people are appreciating me. I just love that, जब आप सपने देखते हो to be an actor and 70 mm पे you see yourself and you see the audience reacting to you. I think that is the most beautiful thing. और best part है जब लोग theatre के बाहर आके बोल रहे हैं अंजलि आनंद की acting बहुत अच्छी थी. That is something that you want it to happen, but जब हो जाता है you don't know how to react to it. So I've just been smiling.
उंगली तो किस्मत ने किया है हमारी. इतना भारी सजा दे दिया. इतना भारी.
It's like one of the biggest comedy franchises. We all have memories of Dhamal.
Yes.
Let me first ask you, as an audience, what's your first memory of Dhamal?
It is me watching it with my friends. I was in school when the first Dhamal came out. And it's just me watching it with my friends and we still watch it.
It is
And
that.
we still say all those dialogues and we still make fun of all those scenes and it is just so amazing to be a part of this. Like it still hasn't, struck me that this actually happened.
It has happened.
अरे खजाने का नक्शा मिल गया.
Years later, now that you have entered that world, what was it like? Was it everything you imagined?
Yeah, everything and more. I mean, it was so easy. Nobody made me feel, their weight around, putting their weight around, and making me feel like nobody made me feel like that. It just felt at home. Induji is just amazing to work with. He's a child in an older man's body. He has still so much masti in him that that is why there is. Not the movie Masti, but in general Masti. But, that is why the vibe of the film is like that because his vibe is so much fun. He's like this little child coming up with ideas. अच्छा ये भी करते हैं, and it's just so much fun to work with a director that is just pushing you through more.
ये क्या है? ये तो सांपों का चुम्माश भी निकला बे. देखो मेरे भाई, ये फैमिली फिल्म है. इसमें ना ये सब ना ही चलता है. कैसे बनी हाय दैया कैसे बनी. पिचक गया ये. बचाओ. अरे हम हैं ना जी. अरे तुम इससे तो बचना है.
And the best thing about these films are like the ensembles, stellar ensembles.
Yes.
Let's talk about them. Whether we have Ajay sir, Ritesh bhai, Arshad bhai, Javed sir. Tell me, looking back, what is that first memory from the shoot that instantly makes you smile?
The fact that pinch me moment that you're standing, because the first day of shoot was that cliff scene.
Oh.
So all of us, the first thing I have to do is just hang with all of them on a cliff. We're just hanging out, but on a cliff. So it was like, आज तेरी इज्जत पे है अंजलि. आज अगर तूने ठीक से नहीं किया या बोला मुझे डर लग रहा है, तो I said आज इज्जत बचा ले and बच गई.
बच गई और अच्छी बची, बहुत अच्छी लगी ये सीन वाली actually.
Yeah. So
But
it
Anjali,
was to do that scene together for the first time with everybody, and I'm like, हम सब line में लटके हैं एक साथ, and you don't even have time to process it. कि वहाँ पे अजय देवगन है, यहाँ पे अरशद वारसी है, यहाँ पे जावेद जाफरी है, यहाँ पे रितेश का हाथ पकड़ के खड़ी हूँ मैं. I'm like, what is happening?
मैदान सिंह के खजाने का एड्रेस जरा जोर से बोले बे. खजाना भूल जाओ. किसी से लिया हुआ उधार है जो भूल जाए. जोर से बोल, जोर से बोल. के नीचे. ये तो गया.
ये भी गया.
कौन?
जिसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था.
Ajay Devgan sir के लिए कहते हैं, he has that very poker face, but he's one of the most masti-khor person on set.
He is masti-khor, yes, but he's again very quietly masti-khor. He will not make a hoo-ha about it. He will be very quiet about it, and you won't even come to know. But the good thing about him is that, okay, I was very intimidated and still very intimidated by him because I love him. I don't think I had the guts to even tell him how much I love him, but I love that man. What an actor he is. I think this is the first time I'm actually saying it, but I love him, and then every time he's around me, I'm like, Even in the interviews and all those promotions, he's sitting beside me and I'm like,
Keep it poker.
his eyes, like, keep your cool. Like, how can you not look at him? Look at the body of work he's done. And I just love him. And just watching him on set and just being, he's made our days so much easier. He's action directed everything. He's just made everything so much easier for us. And it was just wonderful.
Yeah, because Arshad bhai also said this, कि there are times जब कोई scene होता है and we feel it's going to take that long. Ajay Devgan sir comes in, ऐसे cut करो and
finishes it. We're talking. हमने आज तो time लगेगा. आज तो बहुत late होगा हमें. And Ajay sir comes in, he's like, क्या हो गया? Like अभी 6 पेज बचे हैं, अभी आज तो शाम हो जाएगी, रात हो जाएगी. He's like, lunch पे घर. And he's done.
let me also compliment you, the energy, the songs. Wow, what an infectious vibe. Sari, Chutney, tell me, did you have any personal favorite track while shooting or the one that stayed with you after backup?
I had no idea I was going to be a part of the songs.
Really? That was not discussed?
Yeah, no, I was not. It was nothing was discussed. I think they saw how excited I was in life in general and how maybe they thought I'm doing well and they put me in the songs. And I'll always be thankful and grateful because it's my dream to do the song and dance of the Hindi film industry. I'm made for that, you know. I'm made for the acting, I'm made for the parts, but I will not lie, I love the song and dance part of it as well.
I love the energy, but I must say this.
I'm waiting, I want more. Like, I'm hungry for more now. Like, this is a little glimpse of what I can do. I'm just hungry for more now. I just hope I get more parts or I get to showcase what I can do and what I'm capable of.
ना इग्नोर मुझे करना तू कभी मेरी जान नहीं तो यार मर जाऊंगा है गुलाबी साड़ी अणी लाली लाल लाल दिसते में भारी राजा फोटो मजाकार गुलाबी साड़ी में तू लग रही कमाल गोरी जरा मेरे संग फोटो तो निकाल.
I remember the last time we spoke and you mentioned how Rocky Rani changed the way people looked at you as an actor.
Yeah.
Now with Dhamal 4, do you think that's another step in that journey?
Yeah, I got to play a bigger part. I put myself out there with Rocky Rani and you know it opened a few doors for me, and now with Dhamal I hope it opens some more doors for me where I can showcase more of my talent and people can see more of me. I can see that people are loving me and I love that, and that is all I've ever wanted, and I just hope that the industry sees that as well and the makers see that as well, and they see that there are people who will come to watch me, you know, and that's the biggest thing. If you can sell a ticket, you will be casted, you will be cast. But I hope, I'm sure I can sell a few tickets now and I hope people come here and watch me and the makers see, you know, my potential and give me more work.
अरे अंदर खतरा नहीं, खजाना है. चिको मत.
But you know, I'm very curious about one thing because it's very interesting. Both Rocky Rani, Dhamal 4, huge ensemble films, but very different worlds.
Yes.
One is about emotion, relationship, one is total chaos.
Yeah.
So does the energy on set leave you with completely different memories by the end of the schedule?
No, because लोग जैसे हैं लोग तो वैसे ही है ना. There's nothing different about a serious set or a comedy set. There's nothing. Obviously, things are lighter because you're doing lighter scenes here. But here it's ऐसे नहीं है कि things are just always कि नहीं आज serious scene है तो आज हम serious ही रहेंगे. No, it's not like that. It's just during that scene, obviously, when you have to be a little in your in your space and stuff like that. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हमने बहुत मस्ती की रॉकी रानी में भी.
लांबा लांबा घूंघट काहे को डाला रे क्या कर आई गोरी मुंह कहीं काला रे छत पे सोया था बहनोई मैं तने समझ के सो गई मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई गुपचुप 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 गुप.
बट कॉमेडी की एक बात अच्छी लगती है कि लोगों को सीन्स भी याद रहते हैं, उनके डायलॉग्स को भी कोट करते रहते हैं ओवर द इयर्स. सो विद धमाल 4 वाज देयर वन सीन जो शूट के दौरान ही लग गया ये पक्का लोग बात करेंगे?
I think I loved when the guy who says "E table fan हमसे लड़ेगा का." I love that dialogue. It's and the narration में मैं 10 मिनट तक हंसी हुआ like he called him a table fan, and then there is one shot when he hits him in the crotch and he goes "हमें अखरोट." I think that that was spontaneous, I think, with Ritesh. And I think all these dialogues, छोटे dialogues.
But comedy is very difficult. As the people say, well, likhna is one thing, to pull it off is very effortlessly is another challenge.
Yeah. You have to have good camaraderie between you and your co-star, and you need to understand each other, and you need to be really in sync to be funny. You know, it's not easy to be funny, but if you have a good co-star with you, I think it becomes easier. I had Ritesh. I was in the best place ever. So.
Is he like the most chill,
he's
masti-khor
so
person as
chill.
well?
He's so chill. He didn't, like for 1 second, I didn't think, oh, Ritesh Deshmukh is in front of me and I have to be nothing. It was just, we became such good friends from the get-go, and my first interaction with him also was very funny.
Please tell us about this.
I quoted Hey Baby song that he sings in the shower. Do you remember?
I remember the scene. Oh yes, some Marathi track.
Yes, Kutte Kutte Zayatsa Honeymoon. So I told him, it's my favorite scene ever. He's like, how do you remember this?
कुट कुट जायचं हनीमूनला हा कुट कुट जायचं हनीमूनला कुट कुट जायचं हनीमूनला अग बाई कुट कुट जायचं हनीमूनला कुट कुट जायचं हनीमूनला तुम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
So Anjali, do we get to see you in Dhamal 5 and more such comedy worlds after this?
I hope so. I really hope so. I think, see, audiences, everything is on the audiences. अगर मेरी बात होगी हर जगह तो फिर लोग सुनेंगे और मुझे और काम मिलेगा. It's all on the audiences, which I hope I have, you know, I hope मैंने वो दिल जीता है लोगों का.
फुलौरी बिना चटनी कैसे बनी फुलौरी बिना चटनी कैसे बनी
फुलौरी बिना चटनी कैसे बनी फुलौरी बिना चटनी कैसे बनी फुलौरी बिना चटनी कैसे बनी.
Today's segment of The Next Chapter is presented by Lexus. Experience amazing.
Three ways to go electric. All designed to move you. Because the greatest measure of an automobile is how it makes you feel.